What if I told you the construction industry is undergoing a tech revolution? From robots to 3D printing, the way we build is changing faster than ever. Today, we're exploring amazing construction technologies that are reshaping the future of building. You may see some of them for the first time. 3D printing is no longer just for small objects, it's now being used to print entire buildings. Giant 3D printers layer concrete or other materials to create walls, floors, and even complex structures. Companies like Icon and Cobod are already 3D printing homes in less than 24 hours. Imagine the possibilities for affordable housing. Drones are revolutionizing construction sites by providing aerial surveys, inspections, and progress tracking. They save time, reduce costs, and improve safety by accessing hard-to-reach areas. Drones like the DJI Matrice 300 are being used to monitor large construction projects like highways and skyscrapers. Self-driving bulldozers, excavators, and cranes are becoming a reality on construction sites. These machines use AI and GPS to perform tasks with precision and efficiency. Companies like Built Robotics and Caterpillar are leading the way in autonomous construction equipment. Modular construction involves building sections of a structure off-site and assembling them on-site, like Lego blocks. It's faster, cheaper, and produces less waste than traditional construction methods. The world's tallest modular building, the 461 Dean Street Tower in Brooklyn, was completed in just 18 months. AR is helping architects and builders visualize projects in real time by overlaying digital models onto physical spaces. It's used for design reviews, on-site guidance, and clash detection. Tools like Microsoft HoloLens are being used to bring blueprints to life on construction sites. BIM is a digital representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics, used for planning, design, and management. It improves collaboration, reduces errors, and saves time and money. The Shard in London was built using BIM, which helped manage its complex design and construction. Self-healing concrete contains bacteria or capsules that activate when cracks form, sealing them automatically. It extends the lifespan of structures and reduces maintenance costs. This technology is already being used in bridges and tunnels in the Netherlands. Robots are being used for tasks like bricklaying, welding, and demolition. They increase precision, speed, and safety on construction sites. The SAM 100 bricklaying robot can lay bricks 6 times faster than a human. Sustainable materials like cross-laminated timber (CLT), recycled plastics, and hempcrete are replacing traditional building materials. They're eco-friendly, durable, and often cheaper to produce. The Mjøsternet building in Norway is the world's tallest timber structure, showcasing the potential of CLT. Unlike traditional solar panels, solar roof tiles blend seamlessly into buildings while harnessing renewable energy. These tiles are designed to mimic conventional roofing materials while generating electricity, making them an attractive option for homeowners. With improved efficiency and a sleek design, they provide an eco-friendly solution that reduces reliance on the power grid.